channel, a perfect place to start. So today is Flippin' Friday, and this video is brought to you by Border Bananas. And if you haven't checked out her channel, she does a lot of thrift hauls and thrift flips, along with organization and some fun farmhouse DIYs. So she is a lot of fun. Go ahead and check out her channel, which I have linked in the description box. And there is a playlist for today, the Flippin' Friday playlist. So make sure you check out everyone's fun and creative creations. So today's video is a furniture flip that I did, and it is a little table that I picked up at the thrift store for $6. And this project was definitely a labor of love. I almost gave up a few times because it didn't turn out the way I wanted it, and then I totally scratched the idea I had in my head and made it into something else. So come and follow my journey and see what this little table finally turns out to be. So here's the original look of the table. Like I said, I paid $6 for it, and it's this kind of weird pinkish orange color. And I'm going to go ahead and use the chalk paint that I picked up at Home Depot, and it is in a platinum ring color, and I'm going to paint the entire table this platinum ring. I end up giving it about 2 to 3 coats to cover all of the color that was already there. And you'll see later in the video that I decided to do something different to the top of it. So, but for now, it's just being painted this platinum ring.
Something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go.
So I'm ready to do just some distressing, and I'm just using regular sandpaper, and I'm going along the edges and the corners to give it that aged look.
Building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time.
I'd like to thank all my subscribers for subscribing and watching, and all the wonderful comments that I've been getting on my videos. It's so nice to see that people love what you're doing, and that it's bringing joy and inspiration to other people. So thank you for that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing that, or give me a thumbs up if you like today's video, and it really helps my channel grow.
Beyond gravel, beyond a bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way.
So after all the work I did with the platinum ring color and sanding it down for distressing, what I had put on top of it I did not like, and there was some black in it, and so I just decided to go ahead and paint the entire top of this table black. So what I'm doing here is adding a second coat, and I am actually just using Waverly ink chalk paint for the top of this, and so I'm just painting it on, and this is my second coat, covering up some holes that there were in the platinum part that's coming through.
Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond
So I decided to use my electric sander this time to do the distressing, and it turns out so much better, and I will be doing this from now on. But I go ahead and I do distressing over the entire table, and then I'm going to use this stencil that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and it's a designer series large stencil that they sell there. And if you watched my other furniture flip video where I did the buffalo check bookshelf, it was also one of those designer series large stencils. So I just really like them. They have like a really neat pattern over there, and there's several that you can choose from. So again, I got it at Hobby Lobby.
soon they'll be falling down.
So we're ready to take the stencil off, and there's something so satisfying about peeling it up and seeing what's underneath.
Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The line.
So we're ready to put the protective coat on top, and I'm using the one from Rust-oleum, and I'm just going to paint it over the entire top and legs of this tape.
All that blossomed will wither away and die. Not now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn.
Here's the final look of the table. I think it turned out so adorable, even though it took me forever to finally come up with this design. But I do love it, and it looks very cute in my dining room. I have just some fall decor sitting on it now, but it would make such a cute plant stand or just a decor table. And anyway, I just love how it turned out.
Autumn comes too soon.
I hope you enjoyed today's video and how the project turned out. It was definitely a labor of love. In the end though, I did fall in love with the piece, and originally I was just going to give it away or sell it, and then decided I totally had to find a place for it in my home. So I hope that you get some inspiration from today, and that you go out and you find something to either turn around to something else or just get crafty today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I make a new video. And if you enjoyed today's video today, give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. As always, I will see you next time, and wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start.